Hi, my name is Elizabeth Whittick, class of 2023. At the heart of Muhlenberg's campus, the Haas Bell Tower has been an iconic landmark since 1929. Originally serving as Muhlenberg's library, the building was named after John A.W. Haas. The library housed an art gallery and held the first annual college dance in the spring of 1931. In 1982, the bell tower was named for David A. Miller, a member of the class of 1894. The bell tower was converted to digital in 2003 and can be heard around our community playing Gaudeamus Igitur at noon and the college's alma mater in the evening. The Trexler Library was dedicated in 1988 and Haas was renovated to accommodate the college's administrative offices. The Haas College Center, as we know it today, was dedicated on October 18, 1991. For those brave enough, the top of the bell tower offers stunning views of campus and the Lehigh Valley. It always leaves a great first impression to those new to campus, and it is an inspiring sight for those returning to visit.